Patio season has arrived, and guess what? Alex at Northeast Factory Direct can save the day on your patio or deck.
Yeah, so we got a ton of new patio furniture in. Let's start with these 4 examples here, which by the way are only $9.95 each. In this group here, you can get this sectional that includes the chair. It has the Nuvella fabric on it. It's really a nice piece. Or you can get this 4-piece group here with a gliding love seat, which people love, for $9.95 as well. This, I think, is one of the best values that we have in the store. This is a 7-piece dining patio set, all powder-coated cast aluminum. The unique thing, it has 6 swivel chairs, which is unheard of. This also, $9.95. This would cost you $3,000 at one of the fancy places. And then, of course, our high-top all-wood dining room.
And we get these all right away.
You can get them right away.
Summer's here, let's do it. This is the one I saw when I walked in, though. This really looks like something to me. This is
yeah,
special.
This is a brand new group that we have. It's made out of eucalyptus wood, which is one of the densest woods you can get. The nice thing about it is it doesn't fade over time like teak wood does. Price-wise, a sofa like this at one of the fancy places is upwards around $3,000. We're doing them for $6.99.
And it's beautiful. And you leave it out in the rain and it stays perfect. And what about this? This looks like a grand set.
Also a very popular set that we have. It's our wicker group. It's got the deep seating here. You can get that sectional from us for only $16.99.
So how is it you can deliver all this stuff right away? I can get anything I want here, huh?
Yeah, so we bought so much of it that we can deliver it to you in a couple of days.
So check it out, folks. I mean, it's Northeast Factory Direct on the east side, west side, south side, or go online, northeastfactorydirect.com. They can hook you up.